Top 5 Best Telescopic Flagpole. Number 5. Concord American Flagpole Telescoping Flagpole Kit. The Concord American Flagpole Telescoping Flagpole Kit is a comprehensive solution for those seeking an all-in-one package. This kit includes not only the telescoping flagpole but also a flag, ball topper, and mounting hardware, providing everything needed for a complete flag display. The telescoping mechanism ensures user-friendly operation, allowing for easy adjustment of the flag's height. The American flag included in the kit adds a patriotic touch, making it an ideal choice for those who want to showcase their national pride. The durable construction of the pole ensures longevity, making this kit a convenient and reliable option for both beginners and experienced flag enthusiasts alike. Coming in number 4. Panta 30 feet Telescopic Flagpole Kit. The Panta 30 feet Telescopic Flagpole Kit is a versatile option for those who seek a larger display. Standing at an impressive 30 feet, this flagpole commands attention and is suitable for public spaces, events, or expansive private properties. The kit comes complete with all the necessary accessories, simplifying the installation process. The telescopic design facilitates easy raising and lowering of the flag, allowing users to adapt the display to their preferences. The durable construction ensures that the flagpole remains a striking focal point for years to come, making it an excellent investment for those who desire a grand flag presentation. Coming in number 3. SCWN Heavy-Duty Flagpole for House Ground. The SCWN Heavy-Duty Flagpole is specifically designed for house grounds, providing a patriotic touch to residential spaces. With its robust construction, this telescopic flagpole can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. The heavy-duty build ensures stability even in windy conditions, making it a dependable choice for homeowners. The telescopic feature allows for easy installation and adjustment, catering to varying flag sizes. This pole stands as a symbol of pride for homeowners, allowing them to display their national or personal flags with confidence and style. Coming in number 2. MegaBrand Telescopic Gauge Aluminum Lights. The MegaBrand Telescopic Flagpole combines functionality with aesthetic appeal. Constructed from high-quality aluminum, this flagpole offers durability without compromising on weight. The telescopic design allows for easy extension and retraction, making it convenient for users of all ages. One standout feature is the built-in lights that illuminate the flag, creating a stunning display during nighttime. This makes it an excellent choice for 24/7 flag presentation, ensuring visibility even in low light conditions. The gauge aluminum construction adds an extra layer of sturdiness, making it a reliable choice for long-term use. Coming in number 1. Service First Black Heavy-Duty 25 feet Telescoping. The Service First Black Heavy-Duty Telescoping Flagpole stands tall at 25 feet, making it an impressive display for any setting. The black finish not only adds a touch of elegance but also ensures durability through its heavy-duty construction. The telescoping mechanism allows for easy adjustment of the pole's height to suit different occasions or preferences. This flagpole is designed with service in mind, boasting a sturdy build that can withstand various weather conditions. It provides a reliable platform for showcasing flags proudly and is suitable for both residential and commercial use.